Okay, here's an interesting thing I found in the new studio. There's the studio up here, you can see it. And if you go down here, there's copyright. And I thought that I'll just click on this to see what it does. And I expected that it would be telling me where I've infringed copyright. But in actual fact, it shows me that other people have been taking my content without my consent, as far as I can see, and using it as their own. You can see here, garden fruit tree pruning. They've had 4.7k, almost 5,000 views on this garden tool, and they've just used 100% of what I have done and made their own video. And there are lots of different ones, very many of them from Russia, I think, or perhaps Thailand, which are also using. Some of them are 3.5k, 3,500, 3,300. Betty Boop, 2,400. So, I don't know, I haven't looked to see if any of these people are making money off my videos, but I thought it was interesting that people will copy your videos and then just put them up on YouTube as their own. I never ask for your permission, but just go ahead and do it. So, I think there is a possibility to, what we might say, challenge them or inform YouTube that this is going on, but so far I haven't. I've only discovered this today, and I'll have to look into it more, but it's an interesting little feature on this new studio. You can find out if people are using your videos, not telling you about it. So, I just thought that was interesting. Perhaps you should check your own little copyright screen here under these subtitles and find out what's going on with your channel, or if anybody's copying your work and not informing you. Looks like quite a lot of Betty Boop channels have used my videos, sometimes 40%, sometimes 100%, 100%, 100%, 100%. So, just thought I would inform you that this little feature exists, and go and check for yourselves what's happening on your channel, and if anybody is using your material without your consent.